welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you an unboxing of what I got at Gucci, and I'm really excited. In my last video, I asked you guys to give it a big thumbs up if you want to see an unboxing. I noticed there was a lot of likes, so here it is. And I guess for now, the like button is going to be our new way of interacting, since my comments here on YouTube are still disabled. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Another way that you can interact with me is on Instagram. My username is @_JessalynGrace_. It's best not to DM me because I won't see it. So instead you can comment on my recent post and I'll heart it or reply to it. I haven't opened this yet ever since I got home because I wanted to save it for this video, and I'm really excited. Like, I cannot wait. Obviously, I know what I got though since I picked it out, but it's just really fun to unbox stuff, especially if it's from Gucci, since Gucci's like a luxury brand. This is my second piece from Gucci, by the way, and this is kind of like an early birthday gift since I've been saving up for it, and ever since I laid my eyes on it, I knew I really wanted it. This is going to be like my last piece too, since Gucci is very expensive, so I won't be getting Gucci, not for a very long time. And I see luxury brands as like an investment. They retain their value, so I'm going to make sure that I take care of this. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Oh my gosh, I love the bag. Seriously, I keep everything because I still have the bag for my backpack. I sometimes use it to store my backpack since I don't want to get it dirty. Okay, I'm gonna undo the ribbon right here. And I wonder if they have like a dust bag for the shoes. I'm not so sure. This is like my first time getting shoes from a luxury brand. Oh my gosh. Ah, ta-da! Whoa, okay, let me take it out. Whoa! I'm just like so amazed right now. Look, it's neatly packaged. Ooh, what's this? Okay, so I think this is the receipt, and look, they keep it in a really cute folder. How fancy. Oh, so cool. You can see the receipt right here and then like the little card. Okay, are you ready for the reveal? Let's undo the ribbon. Okay. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just put it here. Oh, so beautiful! Oh. So these are the shoes that I really wanted. They're the Supreme V shoes. Let me take it out of the plastic so that you guys can have a better look. I wanted the Supreme V shoes because I wanted it to coordinate with my backpack. Here's my backpack actually. See? Oh my gosh. I love the stripes on here, like the green and red stripes. And look, the back is so cool. It has like this metallic scale type of pattern to it. And it's just so pretty. Here's the other one, and what's cool about these shoes is that the right side of the shoe, this one is green and then this one's red. They basically are the same thing with the B's, but just the back of it is different. Oh my gosh, I love it. Whoa, I cannot wait to take pictures with these. These are gonna be so cute, especially when it's paired with my backpack. Like, and it smells so new too. Oh my gosh, you guys, it comes with a dust bag. 2 dust bags for both of the shoes. Whoa. Okay, here's what the first one looks like. Both of them are the same, and oh my gosh, I didn't know that they have dust bags for shoes. Oh, this is so cute. Whoa. And then look, there's a ton of cards right here that tells you all about it and stuff in different languages. That's really cool. I'm gonna keep all of this stuff. Let me try putting the shoes in the dust bag. Okay, first one. The dust bag feels really nice too. Like, it doesn't feel like the dust bag that you use to, you know, store Gucci bags. The material feels really nice. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put the other one in the dust bag, the second dust bag. Wow. you go. And if you're wondering, the size that I got is a size 4.5. I'm usually a 4. I don't know, my feet probably grew, but it all depends on what brand of shoes you're getting. And you guys, like, isn't this adorable? I'm definitely going to keep it on like the shelf area that has all of my other luxury brand bags in my closet. This is just so adorable. Like, I can't believe I got these shoes though, because I've been wanting them for a while now. Happy early birthday to me. Happy early birthday to me. Let's do a close-up of these. So these are size 4.5 in women's, since they didn't have a children's section in the one that I went to. I guess the one in Rodeo Drive does have a children's section, but I love these so much, you guys. They're really pretty, and I love the bees too since they're gold. On the back, as you can see, they're 2 different colors, like I said, and the pattern's really, really nice. On the inside, you can see that it says Gucci, made in Italy. You can barely see it on camera, but it has like a little engraving in there, which is really cool. And the flap part, it says 34.5. You can kind of see it since I can't open the flap all the way. On the bottom sole right here, it has this really cool design. I'm guessing this is a knight, and then these two are just like patterns. Here's the box for the shoes. It's just a regular Gucci box. On this side of the box, it tells you all about the price, the size, the style number. So if you want to know the price, here it is. It's on this flap right here. I'm going to include some modeling shots of me wearing these shoes right here. And can we just talk about how well this coordinates with my backpack? This is the Supreme Bees backpack, and these are the Supreme Bees shoes, so that's really cool. And oh my gosh, can't you guys tell how obsessed I am with the bees? Like, I love it. Anything with gold bees. You can pair these with jeans, shorts, capris, pretty much anything if you want to achieve that urban street chic look. This is an essential to have. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see the rest of the modeling shots on my Instagram, I'll link you to it in the description down below. Again, my username is @_JessalynGrace_. And don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any videos from me, and to be part of the #GG Squad. I'll see you guys later. Bye!